So as the emblem says, custom 10, everything is custom. We've done a custom intercooler, custom radiator setup, custom boost pipes, custom screamers, custom exhaust on it. We've done the fuel lines, the brake lines, all the vacuum system. We did turbo blankets, Proram intake filters, everything is done. So we've custom built a 1 meter long by 100 mm thick intercooler core for this car. We've tried to keep the boost pipes as identical as possible. So we had to take the existing radiator that was here and modify it to fit first of all. And we added a aluminium fan shroud to holster the two new electric fans. And then we've added the water pipe to the side, which allows for the turbo's supply water lines to run on. So here we use the Xcell 50mm blower valves on both sides. So we're running a AN4 Teflon line for the vacuum pipe to the Xcell dump valves. So here we use the 102mm Proram cone filter out of the range that we have. So we've done identical screamer pipes to the side, which runs down the wheel wells. So we had to take the original stainless steel fuel tank and modify it to run an external sump system. That's allowed us to run our FTF external fuel filters with the Bosch fuel pumps as well. So here we're using a mini Fuelab pressure regulator with a pressure gauge. So here we fitted a new brake booster and master cylinder coupled to AN3 stainless steel fittings with AN3 brake lines.